Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.